made it a point in my own mind to break the American chains that have kept my people captive for so many years. We've been captive since our freedom. We still captive to this day. And it's certain things that we do unconsciously as black men, as black people, that we're not really realizing how this has affected us. And even the scientists and doctors, white and other colors, have already proven that this trauma is passed down, that it takes generations for this to work itself out if it's being worked on. And I get it, man. That's why I made it a point of myself to break the chains of racism or racist thinking, of being independent, like truly being independent. I can work with you and not for you. You know what I mean? Knowing that I need a company for myself, so that way I can leave an inheritance to my kids and their kids. You can't promise your kids a career on your job. Oh, I worked good for them for 20 years. Surely they'll give you a job and put you where I was. This shit don't work like that, man. I mean, I want my kids to be free. I want them to know what freedom means. Now, we got to work to make money. Don't get that twisted now. Being black, we're not scared to work. We're just tired of getting pennies. So if I'm going to get some pennies or get whatever, let me do it for myself. Let me figure this out. And yeah, I hit a couple stepping stones. I ain't going to lie to you. I had to learn some things. But now I know. Now I know how to do it successfully. And that's why I created this blog a hog on, so that way I can teach another black man like me, like you, out there who need this. If I can help you, if I can give you some conversation or some wisdom to take your life, your business, your career, your family to another level, man, that's what we sent here for. I feel like I did my part as a messenger. So a lot of people would judge the messenger because how I came. I'm black. I got gold teeth. My beard. I'm a little bold. I cuss. Yeah, I cuss. You know what I mean? I believe expression is a freedom of expression. If I can't say what I want to say, how I want to say it, when I feel it, then that's control to me. Now, do I know how to conduct myself in a business meeting? Yes, I know when it's appropriate and when it's not. So, but as far as me saying that I'm this type of person, I'm not the typical black man that you're normally used to seeing that works, that that grinds. You know what I mean? I done learned something. And it's cool because I'm from the hood, and I want other cats who from the hood, who maybe ain't never been to the hood, but they black, and they say, man, I want to do what he doing. I want to encourage you to do that, bro. You know what I mean? I want to see us all get to that next level. If I helped you, if I sparked the seed or not. You know what I mean? And yes, I'm an independent artist. I love hip hop. You know what I mean? I produce records. Like, I love that stuff. And here lately, since I've been out here, I haven't got a chance to just focus on my music side of my career. But I've been writing. I've been coming up with some concepts, and I'm about to go to Kansas City soon to drop some new records at MR3 Studios. Shout out to Eric. Um, so when you really want to get your stuff together, you do whatever it takes. And my blog is to help you, to help us. I want to help other races too. I want to help all people, don't get me wrong. But my purpose is to help my people first. You know, even Christ said this. He said, is it right for me to give the food to my family, for my family, to the dogs? Nah. But if the family don't want the food, somebody got to eat it. Even the dogs can get the leftovers. So I get it. Black people, we are the dogs of people, of races of people, I believe. Everybody stereotype us some type of way. Everybody, if they know it or not, just from what they've seen on media, what their parents and told, don't even know it's true, but black people like this. What? Why? Why do everybody hate us so much? Why do everybody want to control us? If you ask me, we are God's people.